Hi, I'm Cory. I'm an optometrist here in my hometown of Cleburne, Texas, where I live with my beautiful family and my dog Maggie. I've been an optometrist now for about 19 years. My occupation is about checking other people's vision, so it's important to have good vision myself. I knew that I had cataracts for several years before getting the cataract surgery done. All day long I'm trying to help people see better, and I was starting to lose that myself. I was starting to have a lot of glare and a lot of blur and difficulty seeing my own eye charts. It was getting quite frustrating. And then I noticed even driving during the daytime that I was starting to have a lot of trouble with road signs. When I was wearing glasses, I had prescription bifocals, and I also had a prescription pair of sunglasses to use when I drove. So about 8 weeks ago, I had the Vivity implant put in my left eye, and I was very excited about the surgery. As an optometrist, I recommend and send patients for cataract surgery quite often, and I've seen hundreds of them happen. And I wasn't at all worried about having the surgery done. It's been a big improvement in my daily life. I definitely enjoy, after having had the surgery, not to have to rely on my glasses full time. Especially when I'm out driving, I'll still use sunglasses to help protect my eyes. But my vision's clear, of course, for distance looking down the road, but I also notice that when I look at my speedometer or if I look over at the radio screen, I'm able to see that quite well and quite clearly. So with my vision on my computer screen, I'm actually doing quite well with this new lens. I'm able to see my laptop if I'm at home or my desktop, but even more important to me was being able to see the computer screen in my exam room. I am comfortable with the new lens and the vision that I get even in dim conditions. In fact, in my exam room, we always have the lights dimmed while we're checking vision. And I find that I don't have any problems in the dim light whatsoever. I can definitely function without glasses for the majority of my daily tasks. When I read my books right now, as long as I hold it out closer to arm's length, I'm actually able to focus on that quite well. If I want to bring it in a little closer, then it is helpful if I use some low-powered reading glasses. Anything I do during the day, whether I'm outside watching my kids play or whether I'm in the pool, I don't have to worry about having blurry vision as I used to. Everything now is much clearer and much brighter. I've got such a huge difference in the vividness of the colors that I'm able to see. It was actually quite surprising. It does make a difference in my everyday life. It's definitely nice not to have to use a prescription pair of glasses all day long.